Naghanap ka ba ng affordable rent-to-own minimalist house? Matibay na 2-story townhouse at provision for 2 bedroom. If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. As you can see, meron tayong enough space for living at dining area. And for our toilet and bath, meron na itong complete fixture. Approximately 60 minutes drive ito going to PITX and 30 to 45 minutes drive ito going to Tagaytay. Kaya naman Tagaytay feels ang climate natin dito. At napakataas ng location na ito, kaya presko ang hangin. Tamang-tama ito for residential, rental, Airbnb, at pwede ring rest house. Located ito along Naik Indang Road for as low as 7,875 sa monthly DP at 8,878 sa monthly amortization. At ang required basic monthly income natin dito ay 26,000. Guys, pwede tayong mag-add ng co-borrower para ma-meet natin ang required basic monthly income. Provision